Welcome back to our part 5 of Laravel Livewire Crud application. So our last part, I work on the update functionality, like we can able to update our data and we can able to edit and update our data, right? So in this part, I will work on the validation part because like if I click, if I don't fill any form here, then I click the create button, then I will have error in my application. Then I don't want that. So I want, if I don't fill any form here, then if I click this create button, then I want to have a message, an error message here, to one message that you told me that you have to fill these forms. Okay, so how to do that in Livewire? Very easy, very straightforward. Let's go back to the code. I will start from here. Insert the input here, insert function here. Let's add this is our validation part. Okay, so inside here I will pass this does validate function. Then in this function here, I need to pass something here like that. So how to do that is very easy and straightforward. And let's pass our array here. And inside the array, I will check our first name is required. First name is required. First name is required. And then first name is required, and the length of the first name, the minimum number should be at least two or three. Okay, and then last name also is required, and this also will be like last name can the minimum can be 2, last name can be 2, and the next one is the phone. The phone part is the tricky part, so I will use this thing here. I use required. Okay, the phone part is required. Then let's use regular expression here. Okay, let's use the regular expression format in this part. Then here I will say I will write these things here. Okay, you copy this. Sorry, let me check. Do this and then pass this one here, and inside this let's pass our function here. Then we need inside here I will go with 0 to 9. Okay, and then I use this slash forward slash, another forward slash also, minus forward slash plus forward slash open bracket forward slash close bracket. Okay, then I write the primes here and close. Here we use this data variable forward slash right, say main should be 10. Okay, so that one is done, and the next one here is the gender. No need to write anything there, we just need to make required. That's all. and let's close this portion. So if this thing is required, then we're gonna have some error message in our form. So let me show you that error message. Let's go to our create blade here. Open the create blade. So in this blade here, I will pass the stuffs here. Okay. Then I'm gonna say something here, like this under this div, under the div here. I will pass the error this error gonna be fname. The name is fname, right? And then we use span tag here. Then the span tag, and inside, let's close the span tag first, because my laptop sometimes is crazy, you know. So let's give the span tag a color class. This class will be text danger. Okay. Then inside here, let's pass our message. Here, let's pass our message variable. Okay. So our span tag is closed here. So another one again, just copy this, copy it, come down here, paste it here. You change this thing to L name. Okay, and you come here as well, select option, just change it to, it's gonna be the gender. Okay, this one is the L name, this one is the phone, and this one is the name. This one is the first name. So here gonna be f name. So let's save this thing and run the application and see. Let's refresh. Oops, we have error. Where is the error coming from? This first name. Okay. So let's check this thing. The correct first name. Why? Go back. Okay. We do have some error things. So okay. To validate, insert, validate. Okay. Remove this. We need to remove this and pass this thing here. That's all. Okay. Now it's working fine. So let's try to refresh our page. We have n of syntax error, unaccepted n of file. In which version? Lock. Sorry, let's check. Where is this? President blade inside here. I think we have an error in somewhere else. An unaccepted n of file. Let's check this thing out. Okay, I think, let me check. Oh, this error. Oh, here, I forgot to add here an error. You should add here an error. Okay, yeah, sorry, my mistake. And this is gonna be an error, and this one also an error. So now it will work fine, I'm sure. Now refresh the page. Okay, our data is going fine. So now if I click this this button, create button here, without having anything inside the input fields, I will get those message here. Okay, you see, this first name is required, the last name is required, the phone is required, and this one also is required. Okay, so I can say something like, if I say Allah with 2, click it, you see the first name must be at least, okay, and the last name is required. I can say Allah G, Allah, then this one I can say SINGATH, and the phone, if I give only 8 normally, just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, create and see. Oh, we have error in the code. Yeah, we have error. Gender, this gender cannot be null because I forget to select the gender. So just go back and select the gender. Sorry. Okay, now let's add it again. Let's just refresh back and see. Okay, now let's fill all the fields. Okay, and this one I will add 7 or 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. Okay, so let's mail. Let's check here what it will say. You see, the phone must be at least this character, at least 10 characters. Okay, so I can say here 10, and now it will insert successfully. Inserted successfully, you see, boom, 1 second ago. Okay, so now I will apply the same thing as well inside our update. Okay, so just copy this thing, just copy it, and come to the update here. I don't mind this thing, don't mind these errors. Come here and let's paste this thing here as well. Okay, so it's all the same. Okay, so and also the update also, if I want to update this, say this update, and if I remove this number and I update, I will have error. This field is required. Okay, see, oh sorry, because you know why we don't have this thing, because we don't pass this message, this error message inside our update as well. So let's pass this error message inside our update. Gonna be the first name, the last name, gonna be L name, and the gender, the phone, also gonna be phone, and last is the gender, gonna be the gender. You have the gender here. So now refresh, and let's try the one more time and see. Let me check my time. Wow. Okay, so let's edit. Okay, see. Hmm. What's going on? Okay, I will stop the video here. Till our next video, I will work on the delete functionality and the search functionality. Okay, so stay tuned till the next video.